Hi, today we're going to learn about how JWT authentication works. There are few of you know or many know how JWT authentication works in Web API. Nowadays, everybody trying to use Web API for all their application, which will helps to transfer data in between companies easily. But security is the main thing we need to consider when you're developing web API. So the JWT is a new concept, a new way of authenticating, verifying your web API and securing your web API. Previously we might used symbol web token authentication, XAML authentication. So the difference between those and this is very simple, lightweight, and easy to transfer the token value because it's very smaller and it's very secure so far. So let's start with a small web application, ASP.NET Core web application and web API to start test it out. Okay. Another thing, we are going to use ASP.NET Core web application for this demo, and the reason being is it's very they already have some of the DL which helps to create the token authentication easily. Okay. And those who doesn't have Postman, which helps to test the web API, please download this Postman from online, which helps to test the web API. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and create a web API. Press OK. So this is the core web application structure, which has controller code and startup. Startup keeps main code, and controller which has the API methods. So we're going to create a right click. So foremost thing we trying to do is we create a new API controller code, where when user the idea is when user go to Postman, just try API/auth/token. So imagine your site.com/API/auth/token. When they call this URL, so they get the idea is when they calling this URL, they should also send basic authentication with username password. For example, admin pass. So the idea is they will send admin pass, username and password to us. So our return result should have the token, JWT token, so which they can use it to work on the other API to use the other API calls. So the first thing they have to get the token, and then using the token they should call other API to use it. Okay. So we need the API auth token. So I'm going to create a new controller called auth. Okay. Add. Alright, auth controller. And in the auth control, we are going to create a new method called token. So the idea is when they call our site.com/API, controller name, which is auth/API/ one second, hold on. Okay, so the auth control created. So we're gonna create a route first. To get it faster, I'm gonna copy paste from there instead of typing. Alright. Here API/auth, which is this / what we need is token. So here I'm going to say HTTP post, and we'll get token. That's the method name. So here I'm going to call this also token. Alright, so when the user call token, so the idea is we're going to return back to them the actual token value, which is JWT token. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and so let's return this. We're gonna have two returns for now. Return token string. Okay, for now string token string equal to some value for now, test. Okay, and we're gonna say okay. Okay, all right, so let's test this one to verify this URL at least working. Go ahead and run this. Okay, now we got 15814. Let's copy this. And test this, verify, and then the another URL going to be this /add/token. Okay, it's not working. Let's see, API/add/token. Yeah, it's not working because we're sending the wrong method. So just change to post, and we want to send actually basic. That's the idea. And now send, which is getting test back. So instead of test, we need actual token. So let's go back here again. So the first thing what we're gonna do here, variable and token string equal to new JWT security token. So that's what we want to create. Token. Okay, so let's create this and open brace, close brace, or close. All right, so we don't need this anymore. I'm gonna cancel this off. We want this. This has a few properties. This has a issuer. These are the properties we can create to distinguish our token value. So here, as issuer, I'm gonna say mysite.com. Okay, and audience, I'm gonna keep the same one for now. We can even you're developing, you can keep the other names, mysite.com, and then what we're gonna do is each security JWT security token should have some kind of claims which will keep your user ID or roles for the current user role. So those value will be easy. We can keep it in claims. How we use in all other authentication, they keep the claims value, like who is the user requesting for this token. Okay, and then we can keep expire on. So I'll keep date time now dot add minutes of 1. Okay, and let's see. And then the other thing we're gonna do is claims. The claims we're gonna add here. Okay, let's do the claims variable. Claims date data equal to, all right, new claim start showing. Oh, sorry. Security claim. Here I'm gonna create security. Sorry. Security claim type. We need to say claim types dot. I'm gonna add a name, comma. So this is the username. Just imagine we are sending a username here. Okay. All right. So let's put this one here. Claims data. All right, and then the main thing we need to add here is signing credentials. Okay, signing credentials equal to what we need, JWT signing credentials that all be used in signing JWT token. So the JWT token has three parts. The first part is header. The headers will have what kind of algorithm we're going to use. The second part will keep the claims, and third parts will keep the signature of this token. So this is the part signing credential. That's where we're gonna say what kind of algorithm we're going to use to sign this token. So there are two different ways we can use. One is symmetric key, which is HAMAC algorithm, HMAC algorithm, and other one is we can use public private key certificates. So in this tutorial we're going to use that symbol secret key algorithm, which is much easier to develop now, and in next video we can use just a few small changes to use private public key algorithm. Okay. Alright, so now let's start. We need a sign-in credential. To create sign-in credential, we're gonna create variable and first key equal to. So we need a key equal to new symmetric security. I hope I typed correct. Right, yeah, symmetric security key, right, open, encoding. So right now I'm going to use the some secret key here directly, but when you're developing, you keep the secret key in your config file. Okay, so encoding dot ut, oops, sorry, dot get bytes of, here we're gonna pass some value. This is like imagine this is one of your secret key, which comes from your config file. Okay, so once we get the key, and this is where the next step is, we're going to sign that key using HMAC algorithm. So let's create a variable signing key where sign-in credential key of what kind of algorithm we're going to use. Okay, variable sign-in cred equal to new signing in credentials of we need a key and algorithm. The key we already have, which is symmetric key, and then